Do you really know how to use your reverse camera properly? And how can you use these guiding lines to judge a safe distance? For beginner drivers, the following techniques are essential to understand. On the reverse camera display, horizontal lines help estimate the distance between the rear of the vehicle and objects behind it. Vertical lines on the left and right indicate the width of the vehicle, helping you maintain safe side clearance. Typically, there are three horizontal lines as reference. When the third line aligns with the base of an object, the distance is 1.5 meters. After crossing this line, the parking sensor usually starts to alert. When the second line aligns with the object, the distance is about 1 meter, and the warning sound becomes more frequent. When the red line, closest, aligns with the object, the distance is only 30 centimeters. At this point, you are very close and should stop immediately. For side guidance, if the left vertical line aligns with a road marking, the distance from the vehicle is about 20 centimeters. The same applies to the right side. Practical applications. During parallel parking, if the guidelines appear parallel to the curb, the distance is still 20 centimeters, which is generally safe. When reversing into a parking space with a car beside you, wait until the red line is about to align with the corner of the parking spot, then turn the steering wheel to avoid hitting the adjacent vehicle. In side parking, watch the left red line area. Once it enters the parking space, it indicates the left rear wheel has reached the boundary. This is the moment to turn the steering wheel fully. When parking near a curb, monitor the right red line. As it nearly aligns with the curb, quickly turn the steering wheel and continue reversing until the vertical line becomes parallel to the curb. At this position, the distance is about 20 centimeters. By understanding how to read and use these guidelines, you can park more safely, accurately, and confidently.